morning and welcome back to the channel. Now then, this morning I had a bad accident with a flower mower and somehow all my beard has disappeared. I just get fed up of it every once in a while and decide to shave it off, and then immediately regret the decision that I've shaved it off once I have shaved it off, because I look like a 2-year-old. Will probably get ID'd for a pint, but oh well. Morning. Boy, that was a long commute to work. Traffic was bad. Thank you. So we have unloaded 2 trailers this morning and we are just picking the second trailer now. This one's just been loaded up. I'm just getting some more air tunnels, some more air ducts. But as you can see, we've moved into the main potato store. So we filled that back shed. Now we're starting to fill this. We're near enough halfway. It's surprising how quick you fill a shed once you fill the back. I hope we can get them all in here. That's all I can say. But how we do it is we go and pick 2 load. So Mum's on one tractor and trailer, Dad's on the harvester, and I'm on the other tractor and trailer. We go pick 2 load, and then come and empty 2 load, pick 2 load, and empty 2 load. You get the gist. However, if you are a new subscriber, you're probably wondering what these 2 boxes, one there and one there, do. They are supporting this wall here. We used to have Heston bales or quadrant bales, straw bales, and row them up in there. I think there was 4 would be wide enough, and load over the top of them. The potatoes roll down, hit the straw bales, and then you'll be able to get it up higher. Because we haven't got a fancy Fandango elevator that's sort of telescopic and can boom out over the top and get it all nice and level, I have to level the top out by hand. We'll go up there in a minute and show you. But this wall just supports every potato that rolls down, so I can get it up higher. So I'm up to the top of the Heston bale, and then as we move everything back, the conveyors all concertina up together, and we just jack them up and just slide it back and put your air tunnels in here. Job's a good one. So as you can see, we are level with a slight little arc on her, all the way, filled all the way to the back. Have to hand level them out like this. when we're at the back, and then just gradually move forward a yard at a time. So a few days have gone by, I think 2 days have gone by since our last video, and Mum and Dad are just picking a load now and coming back up, and we've got a bit of a situation. So we're up to this point in the shed where we've put these 2 conveyors together, we've joined them together now, locked them up, and we've had to take the frame off the elevator purely because the angle wasn't matching up, and that frame sits outside. But I think we've got something like 18 or 16 more trailer load left in the field, but we're at this stage in the shed. We're nearly to the door. We can probably get 6 or 8 more trailer load in here, and then what we're going to have to do is, because the beans went the other day, we've got about 10 ton left. We're going to load up on this trailer, clear them up out of that shed, and put probably a few load in there. Hopefully we'll get about 10 load in there. Hopefully, the big word is hopefully. But excuse me, extremely happy with the sample. Me and Dad are, for the work we put in irrigating them in the night time and this, that and the other, and yeah, it's just the amount of time we put into these potatoes, this outcome for it being so dry, yeah, extremely happy. Now then, this old girl, she's sat on the Jenny like I said before. Someone keeps saying she's a beauty. Well, she is. I'll show you in a minute. Look at her. She's just ticked over 13,000 hours. Put in the comments, if you're a farmer, your highest hour tractor, what make, what model, and how many years it's been on the farm, and especially what hours. Yeah, love to hear it.